Hello everyone. With so many people stuck at home, we thought we would share a couple of videos of an activity that you can try at home, and that's knot tying. Today we're going to look at a knot called a bowline. The bowline is a simple but strong knot that is very widely used in many applications where you need a loop on the end of your line. So let's get started. Now there are a couple methods for tying a bowline. Today we're going to show you one of the quickest and most common ways. For this knot, we are only working with one end of the line, so you don't need to worry about the other end. Start with the end in your right hand with the end of the line pointing away from you, and hold the middle of the line with your left hand. With your right hand, take the end of the line and place it so that it crosses the rest of the line like that. Now using your thumb and first two fingers, pinch both the lines together right where they cross. Then rotate your hand towards you so that your palm is facing up. Now you've made a loop with the end of the line coming out of it like this. Then you take the end and bring it around behind the rest of the line and back down the loop that it came out of, so that you have something that looks like this. Now you tighten it. And that is a bowline. Thank you for joining us. Feel free to practice at home and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.